Alright, this is a short video on how to change the battery for the 7 Series 2001 to 2008 BMW remote key here. This is for models 730i, 735i, 2001 through 2008. This is the T-shaped model. Now, there's two of these key fobs. If we turn over and look at the back, one of them has this little easy access to a non-rechargeable battery, and this is for the non-comfort access key fob. Again, this is for the BMW 7 Series. And this one's really easy to change. The other non-comfort access model requires soldering and uses a rechargeable battery. So this one, we just need to pop out the internal key here, which will give us access into the back here. And to change this battery, there's a little opening right there. Just go ahead and pop that off, a little flathead screwdriver. Makes that really easy. It gets access to the internal battery. The battery you need here is a CR2032, and this will just kind of pop out when you remove the backing here. Take that out, make sure that the lettering is up, put a new one back in, and pop the back on, and you should be all set, good to go. And that's how you change the battery. Again, this is for the comfort access, the non-comfort access version for the BMW 7 Series 2001 to 2008.